Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days, both Wednesday and then today, Thursday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As we head into Friday, I want to kind of really just simplify things here a little bit and throw in essentially the level that's been built into place and that the bulls are working on chipping away at, and that is this overall trend line right here. It hasn't been anything fancy. Maybe it's been a little ugly at times, but over the past several days, you got to give credit where credit's due, and the price is chipping away and building these higher bases. And really, that's all you can ask for. At the end of the day, as long as the price is putting in higher lows, everything else does eventually take care of itself. And yeah, there's been some pullbacks, like I said, so it's not like it's always been pretty, but each and every time the price has pulled back over the past few days, the price has done a great job of holding strong and building those higher lows, and that's what you want to see. And the quote-unquote measurement of higher lows, that's where a trend line comes into place, because it just makes life a whole lot easier in that regard. So as far as supports are concerned, preferably speaking, the key level to watch is going to be that trend line there. In the event the price were to break below there, not saying it's headed straight down to 1620, but if that trend line does fail, especially if it's a high volume break to the downside, then yeah, seeing $16.20 would not be shocking at all. The one thing I'm going to do is just get rid of that line here because I don't want to have too much clutter. But as far as areas of resistance are concerned, the level that has really kind of made itself known now as far as where the price just really struggles every time the price gets in that general vicinity of the chart is right up here around the $17.10 mark. I may have talked about that in the past. I don't remember. But yeah, right up around there, give or take a little bit. That is certainly the key level of resistance going forward. But at the end of the day, the key mark is just staying above that trend line, because as long as the price stays above that trend line, that implies the price is building higher lows. And as long as higher lows are being put into place, that's how healthy uptrends are constructed. So far, so good. The price continues to build higher bases. Let's see if they can continue to do that or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.